Welcome to my Christmas Day special. If it is Christmas Day where you are, or whatever the religion. Yep, for me it's Christmas Day. Yeah, we're going to try and get this rolling. Absolutely no reason why we should do that, because we're not finished. But because it's Christmas Day, I think there's no better reason not to get it rolling. Maybe if we can, we'll drop a seat into it so I can sit in it and feel like I'm driving it. So, absolute pointless waste of time really, apart from mentally you think, yes, we finished. So yeah, we've got a boot full of subframe, seats, wheels, bits and bobs. We've got a few hours to kill. Let's see what we can do. Obviously, I'm having roast dinner, turkey, all the trimmings. So let us know what you're having. Be really nice if we get this on the wheels. It'd be really nice if you can hit the like button, because it'd be great if I could get 100 likes on Christmas Day. That'd be lovely. So bang, I'm going to release this video a bit earlier, UK time. So I don't know if you've already had Christmas wherever you're watching this. But yeah, smash the like button, share it, like it. That's only if I get on the wheels maybe. But yeah, so let's crack on. Let's not waste any time. Let's get the subframe out, give it a quick clean up, shove that in. And I think we're on the home straight once we get that in. Yeah, let's get it out of the car first. Heavy. Okay, giving the subframe an ultra degrease. It was a joke, lads, but a bit of what did I put on it? Gunk. Got a bit of the bulk of it. Yeah, we'll drop it back out again and do it again properly. But for now, as I said, Christmas Day, I feel like doing it. So what we want to do is pop the top, I'll call them mounts, bushes, top washers, we've got those. Just some old poly ones that we had, so they go on. We've got some just simple rubber ones for the front, no reason why, apart from I just bought them, because originally I was going to plan on putting the Vauxhall lump in, which doesn't have any mounts at all. And we'll just bolt the rear mounts on loosely. If I can find the other one, I can only find one at the moment. So we'll look for the other one in a minute. So we'll just get them on loosey, and see if we can get a jack under it and see if it sort of goes up anywhere. Yeah, we'll just see how much luck we have. Okay, rear subframe mounts on the front subframe on loosely. Teardrop mounts mounted in the car. Block of wood underneath. Try and jack it up as far as I can, see what happens. Yeah, why not, eh? Why not? Oh, hot. Okay, well, got the subframe up. The correct, I'm just using some all-speed washers on the top, which don't worry about. They're not quite designed for his frame. Just making sure we can get the big bolt started, would be nice. Not quite going, the other side has, so it can't be far off. Yeah, we'll get the tweaking tool out and try and get those big bolts done. And that's good. Alrighty, mostly hindsight, I should have just not done the subframe until it's finished. But, fuck it, why not? It's in now. I'm just going to put the old, I don't know why, just to stop the wheels from wobbling about. We'll just pop the steering rack on, just loosely. Just touch hitting the little protective plate there. Not the actual thread or anything stupid like that. I'm not that stupid. Oh, I am that stupid. Anyway, other side. And feck it. Let's put 4 wheels on it and see if it goes to the ground. Pointless, I know. Okay, 4 wheels on my wagon. It's not a wagon, I suppose, it's a ute, it's a pickup. But yeah, 4 wheels on it. So, solid. Let's lower it down and see if it moves. As I said, I'm not justifying myself while I'm doing this. It's Christmas Day, sod it. And yeah, get onto the wheels, and if we've still got a bit of time, we'll pop a seat in it. Happy Christmas. Oh, I don't know how much time lapse that caught. I did do that on time lapse, but I'll just come back to the camera. And it ain't got it, it's not there, so. But anyway, look. Rolling, rolling. Okay, we've got a block of wood under it. That's why it's not rolling. The track is slightly out. But yeah. Wow. Absolutely flabbergasted. Oh. Check my phone. So yeah. Oh. Knackered. So, what I think we should do is put a seat in, shouldn't we, really? Put a seat in. Maybe just pop a door on as well so it feels like I'm driving. Do that, can we? Yeah. To get a seat on, we just need to put the seat brackets on. Nicely quality, like that patina look. So that's lovely, isn't it? Yeah. Thumbs up, everyone, please. Loads of thumbs up. Come on, do it for me for Christmas. It's hot with this hat on. Yeah. One we've got to pick up. Not sure if these are going to be the original wheels, later wheels. I will definitely change them, but they may be the ones that I'll get it through an MOT, might be the ones that are on IMM. Because, yeah, funds and things. Fitting smaller wheels on the back's not a problem. Front wheels, you've got to change all the brakes and stuff. I haven't got time or money for the moment on that. So, yeah, let's bolt a seat in. Alrighty, those babies in. There you go, that's my new bolt kit. It's turned up. So let's go get the chair. I picked these up. They came with a shout. These came with a shell that I bought that I used for the race car that never raced. Mini 25 seats are quite cool actually because they've got little pockets at the front, which I think the wife will quite like. Just to put a cack in. Oh, mind the paintwork, Matthew. Mind the paintwork. The later seats where the pull lever on the side to tilt them and stuff, obviously no need to tilt them in a pickup. But I realised on the Mark 1 they didn't actually fit because of that pull mechanism. You have to sort of swap them on the wrong sides. But again, as I said, in this instance, tilting's not an issue. Just pop a couple of bolts through just to stop it collapsing. won't bother with any nuts, I don't think. So yeah, hopefully everyone's having a good day. If you're not, I'm really sorry. I know it's a stressful time. We're normally less stressful actually on the day now. It's like done now. It's all the stress leading up to Christmas sometimes, which can be a pain. But yeah, hang in there if you are stressful. Send me a text, send me a message, Facebook message. Say hi if you're a bit bored and you're on your own. I'll see if I can reply. I can't promise anything though. So yeah, Matt Green 16V. So yeah, look at that. We've got a seat. Let's get a good view for this. So you can see my ugly mug. There we go. First time, we're going to sit in the pickup. Obviously, I know it's not done. Oh, whoa. Balls. Let's just lean down and get the beer. Oh, I've got a slight hole in my trousers. The wife tried to put some safety pins in them, but they burst as well. So I just, it's alright, I've got my Christmas pants on, so it's quite festive. So yeah, ooh, bloody tiny minis, aren't they? Oh, wow. Yeah, it's looking good. Of course, it's a weird perspective. Sitting in the driver's seat for the first time. You know, so long you've been like working on it from outside. You finally sort of sitting there, see what it's going to feel like. 6 foot, I think it's 6 foot. It was 6 foot, 6 foot I think. But yeah. Whew. Hopefully I did a video the day before, a couple of days ago, of the winners. I've picked all those, contacted them, so hopefully I've done the video. If I haven't done the video, that means I haven't got in contact with all the winners yet, so I'm still waiting, but I have picked them. Picked 3 winners, so I'll be emailing you, or I have emailed you. So anyway, everyone have a good time off. If you have time off, if you're working, sorry about that, but again, thanks for working, because whatever job you're doing allows other people not to work and life to still continue. It's a shame that we can't all have one day off, but I do know certain services need time, so you can't have them off. We expect too much. So yeah, again, thanks for following me all the way through the year. I'm not too sure how many more videos I will do. Off to my sister's, or my dad's, so we'll have an update of the 67 when I go up there in the new year. So we'll keep an eye out for that. He's done masses of progress, so good on my dad. He's still doing it. I tell him not to rush, tell him not to bother, but he loves it. So yeah, that's that. So, do a time-lapse video. Been on and off this month. I don't think I've been productive as the previous month, but yeah, we're getting there. So it's not long now until my IMM. I'm trying to aim for London to Brighton. Sorted out the tickets for that, so I'm hoping to be down there Brighton with this. Yeah, so we've got a good couple of months now of sorting out all the mechanics, sorting out the external bodywork, whether we can get any chance to actually paint the interior in January at all and get the heat in here. That would be nice, because then we can then start fitting all the interior, steering columns, lights, wiring loom can go in and all that sort of stuff. You know, until this interior is painted, we can't do that, which means we've got to fix the firewall first, the rear firewall. That's one of the first jobs to be done next. Yeah, so we've got all fuel pipes to run. We've got a lot of stuff to do. And then we finally can get it all done and move on to the next projects which you enjoy. So anyway, again, thanks for following me. Please give me a thumbs up. It'd be great if I could hit 100 likes on this. It's a major milestone just getting onto 4 wheels. It came in here on 4 wheels, not that I bought it in here. But yeah, it's much solid now. It is drivable. Whether it drives in a straight line or not, another question, but that's what adjustable suspension's for. So yes, if anybody has got a steering column, need a complete steering column, need to find one. Not too sure what my wiring loom's made for now. I've picked up some wiring loom, so I need to have a look at that, but that can all be tweaked. Some other people have sent me some other parts. I'll give you a shout out in the next video, I promise. I just haven't even had a chance to open up the packages. Anyway, let's see what 2020 brings and what new projects we got on this channel. Maybe we can pass 20,000 subscribers. That'd be cool by the end of the year again. But yeah, we need to up our game next soon on the next project. Classic car giveaway, and then the next project. We're gonna up it. We're gonna up the game. Yeah, we've got to do this YouTube. All right, guys.